Gamma-ray bursts are the most violent explosions in the universe. For a few seconds, they release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. They're not loud. They don't glow. They're invisible beams moving at the speed of light. If one ever hit Earth directly, the atmosphere would begin to tear apart. The ozone layer would vanish. Radiation would flood the surface. Plants would die first, then animals, then entire ecosystems. No warning, no time to react. Life wouldn't end screaming, it would end instantly. And here's the part that's unsettling. There's a star called WR104, about 8,000 light-years away. It's spinning, dying, and possibly aiming. If it collapses the wrong way and the beam aligns with Earth,
extinction wouldn't come from war or climate or technology. It would come from geometry. The universe doesn't need to be angry. Sometimes it just needs to be pointed in the wrong direction.